Hello everyone, today we're diving into the versatile world of OIAHOMY's 4-pack storage baskets, perfect for organizing your home with style and functionality. Crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, these baskets are chemical-free, making them safe for kids and pets while ensuring they won't scratch your furniture or floors. Measuring 12.7 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 7.8 inches high, these space-saving rectangle baskets are ideal for any room, from the baby nursery to the office, and fit seamlessly into closets, cabinets, or shelves. The neutral design and color blend effortlessly with most decor styles, and the set of 4 allows for easy classification and storage, helping you find what you need quickly. Not only are they sturdy and soft, but these baskets are also washable by hand or machine, and while they arrive folded, they regain their elegant shape easily with a little help from towels or clothing, or even a quick iron. Plus, when not in use, these foldable woven baskets can be neatly tucked away, saving valuable space in your home. So, if you're looking for a stylish and practical storage solution, the OIAHOMY storage baskets are a fantastic choice that combines elegance with everyday utility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.